Good morning everyone. Today we will continue our same chapter, reproduction in plants. Okay. So yesterday I have taught you about the reproduction, what is reproduction and what are the types of mode of reproduction in plants. Okay. So that are sexual and asexual reproduction. Okay. Today we learn about asexual reproduction. In plants, there are different type of asexual reproduction. There are vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation, spore formation. Okay, इतने प्रकार के asexual reproduction plants में होते हैं. Understand? और vegetative propagation को ही vegetative reproduction भी कहा जाता है. Understand? So, vegetative propagation. In this method, new plants are produced from the vegetative parts like the root, stem or leaves. Okay, इस मेथड में क्या होता है, न्यू प्लांट जो प्लांट्स का वेजिटेटिव पार्ट्स होता है उनसे बनाया जाता है, उनसे प्रोड्यूस होता है. ओके, एंड व्हाट आर दैट वेजिटेटिव पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट? दैट आर रूट, स्टेम एंड लीव्स. ओके, नाउ एग्जाम्पल for this, if the stem cutting of a rose plant or money plant is planted in the soil, we can get a new plant. This is the example of vegetative propagation. Okay, the vegetative part, that is stem, we have taken and we cut it, we cut the stem from rose plant and from money plant, or we have planted it in soil, and what happen after some days, we can get new plant. Okay, so new plant produced here by the vegetative part of plant. Understand? Now next one, that potato. Potato has small bud called eyes. Okay, see in this picture, see in potato this part. Okay, this part is called eye. Understand? So if we taken this part, if a part of potato with an eye is cut and planted in the soil, और हम उसको soil में plant कर देते हैं, we can get a new plant. Then also we will get one new plant, that is also an example of vegetative propagation. If a part of ginger we planted in the soil, we can get a new plant. Then also we will get a plant of ginger. Understand? Now, bryophyllum has a bud in the leaf. If a part of the leaf with bud is planted in the soil, we can get a new plant. Okay, so bryophyllum leaf, you are very introduced with it. See, this is the leaf of bryophyllum. Okay, and in these cut, these are the cut like this, in these cut there are some buds. Okay, and when you planted this leaf in the soil, then you can get new plant of bryophyllum. Here you can see that ginger. Okay, ginger, if you are planting, then the plant of ginger you will get. Okay, same way cactus and that rose plant. So in this way you can get new plant. Now if a part of cactus plant is planted in the soil, we can get a new plant. Same way we can get the plant of cactus also. Okay, so these are the example of vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. Okay, understand by it. Now you can we will study about the budding. Okay, how many types reproduction? Part of asexual reproduction we have studied here: budding, from for fragmentation and spore formation. So now from the vegetative propagation, now we will study about the budding. Okay, so in budding, in this method, a small projection called bud is formed on the yeast cell. Okay, example we have taken yeast. It is also a example of an plant. So in this method, small projection called bud is formed on the yeast cell. Okay, yeast cell पर एक छोटा सा bud जैसा बाहर निकलता है, grow होता है, that bud grow and become a new yeast cell. और ये bud, this is fully yeast cell, and then one small structure projection type of bud will grow here, and then it will grow and become a new cell. Okay, and you can see here, this is the budding in yeast cell. Understand? Now next one is fragmentation. The example of fragmentation is Spirogyra. Okay, this type of reproduction found only in Spirogyra. In this method, the plants breaks up into 2 or more fragments. Okay, 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा टुकड़ों में plants टूट जाता है, and each fragment grow into new plant. Understand? 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा टुकड़ों में टूट जाता है प्लांट, और जितने भी टुकड़े उसके होते हैं, फ्रेगमेंट्स उसके बनते हैं, उनसे एक नया प्लांट तैयार होता है. सो दिस इज फ्रेगमेंटेशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन and last one is spore formation. Spore formation, the example of fungus or fern. Okay, fungus, that fafund you can say in Hindi. Okay, on the bread or chapati you have seen, you may have seen that fungus. So in this method, the fungus produce spores. The spores germinate and produce new plants. इस प्रोसेस में क्या होता है कि जो फंगस का प्लांट होता है छोटा सा, उसमें से स्पोर्स फॉर्मेशन होता है, छोटे छोटे, बहुत छोटे छोटे दाने जैसे स्ट्रक्चर निकलते हैं स्पोर्स की तरह, और वो बिखर जाते हैं इधर, जहाँ जहाँ भी वो बिखरते हैं, दैट ग्रो इनटू इन न्यू प्लांट्स. ओके, सो दिस इज asexual reproduction is complete here. If you are having any query, you can write down on my personal WhatsApp chat, and then I will solve it. I will make you understand. So now tomorrow we'll continue sexual reproduction. Okay, so till then read your chapter also, these topics, and watch the video. It will for your good understanding. Thank you very much.